Hi everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install a zip file on Windows 10. This method is quick and simple, perfect for anyone new to navigating files on Windows. First, open File Explorer from your taskbar or Start menu. This is where you can access all your files. Next, go to your Downloads folder, which is usually the default location for downloaded files. If you have a lot of files, sort them by type to quickly locate the zip file. Once you find it, double-click the zip file. Windows will open it like a regular folder, allowing you to see its contents. Look for the Extract All button. This is the main option to unpack your files. Now, choose a folder where you want the extracted files to be saved. You can select an existing folder or create a new one to keep things organized. Click the Extract button to start unpacking the files. You'll see a progress bar showing how the process is going. After extraction is complete, navigate to the folder you selected. Look for the executable installation file, usually named setup.exe or something similar. Double-click the setup file to launch the installation wizard, then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. And that's it. Your zip file is now installed and ready to use. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll help you out.